So we got 2011 Tahoe shifter cable broke. This piece of plastic on the cable on the truck broke, so I went and buy a new cable. It's two parts. It's almost $200 for a cable. So we're gonna go ahead and just make a bushing and fix it ourselves for a few minutes. So come on. Get in the bushing drawer. See what we got. That's too small. This cam button. We have a couple of them. Here we go. That's what we need. This guy right here. All right. All right. So we're gonna pop this bad boy out. This junk. All right. Looking for something to sit in there. Actually, that's real nice. Drilled off center, so we're gonna disregard that. All right. So we're gonna turn that down. Close enough around. I am by no means a machinist. I'm just a guy that found a lathe cheap. So here we go. Bushing fits in there like that. Should retain it. So I'm not going to bring you underneath the car with me while I drill a hole in it and put a pin in it to hold it on, but I'll show you a picture after it's done. It's dark out, so it's kind of a pain in the butt to do. Thanks for watching.